Hey guys, this is Jorge Jalapeño coming to you live from Cedar Hill. We just finished this project here. As you can see, we have done over 400 linear feet of ornamental metal aluminum galvanized fence. It came out beautiful. We did one walk gate, one automatic gate, and one double swing gate. Let me show you and check it out. First thing I'm going to show you here is our swing gate. Check it out right here. It's about, I would say, about 12 feet long. And here's our motor, LiftMaster motor right here. There's a swing arm here. All this is custom welded. Here's the box here. Got a keypad here. Post to the cement. You can see we installed this box here. This is a solar powered unit. Got really big. We got nice steel here. It's not going to go anywhere for a long time. So you can see with that LiftMaster motor, just awesome.